Welcome back to Campus Tech. You know you're using just 5% of your calculator. So this is a normal calculator. But when you hit this calculator icon, so it'll give you the 4 options. The one is the basic, which will normally everybody use. So here is a scientific calculator. When you click on it, so it will give you these all scientific things. If you are a student, that is very helpful for you, like the sine theta, cos theta, and everything. So, but here's the one more feature. When you again hit on that thing, it will give you, that is the convert option. When you just hit on the convert option, you can change the currency and you can convert the currency right on the calculator. Put any number, it will convert into the euro, whatever is the currency you want to convert, just change it. So after the currency, when you hit this line, you'll see there is you can convert the area, you can convert the angle, data, energy, and force, and lots of other options. Look at this standard option, the speed, energy, weight, volume, everything you can convert, you can do it, which is very, very handful, and especially for the students. When you click the calculator icon right on the bottom corner, look at this, you'll find the one more option, which is the math notes. This is one of the best feature in the calculator. When you go on the very bottom right corner, just create the new notes. So you can just write the notes by pen also, if you have a Apple Pencil, or you can just write. So look at this, what it's saying, 2 + 2 is 4. There's some other option you'll find. This is that, look at this. This is a ruler, like this thing, which is, oops. You can, by the way, you can do undo. Look at this. You can make that straight line, which is very good feature in this thing. So you can change the line. You can change the color and opacity of the lines, and every line, spectrum, and slide. There's a multiple other option too, and there's a different kind of pen. So this is the cool feature of the calculator. There is much more you can dig on, and you can do more. You can play with it. It will be very helpful. If you like that video, thumbs up and subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and see you in the next video.